Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about how to write a picture composition. So let's discuss the details and the main points which you need to remember while writing a picture composition. So in a picture composition, you use the picture as a reference point and write a composition. So in picture composition, a picture is given to you and you have to use that picture. You have to include all the points related to that picture in your composition. Now, like all composition, a picture composition too should have a beginning, a middle and an end. So as you have done so many writing skills, like you write essays, you write report, you write then articles also. So like other writing sections, in this also you should have a beginning, a very good beginning, including related to the picture only, then a middle, that means body of the composition, and the end, that is the conclusion. So this your writing skill is also divided into para. Okay, this is very important thing. Whenever you write anything right related to your writing skills, okay, then you should divide your writing material into different paragraphs, taking one idea in each para. Now these are the points you should remember while writing a picture composition. So what all are the points that you need to remember? Let's discuss that. Study the picture carefully and pay attention to all details such as facial expressions, gesture, clothes and posture of the character in the picture. Now, the very first thing before writing a picture composition, you need to study the picture that is provided to you, that you need to study it very attentively. You need to study all the details. Okay, if it is a human figure or if it is related to some other issues, you need to study all the details. For example, facial expressions, gestures, clothes, then posture. If it is related to any issues also, then you have to focus on each and every point of the picture. Then what you have to do, your composition must have a basic plot, character, dialogues and description on the basis of the theme of the picture. Then you will jot down all the ideas. Okay, all the ideas, or you can also make a rough draft including all the things in a sequence way, because you are framing a story or you are writing a composition, then it should be in a sequential form. Sequence में हमें हर चीज़ को explain करना है. Okay, so you need to have a basic plot. means आप पहले सबसे पहले तो पिक्चर को देख के you just think कि what you have to write. Okay, that means कि आपको क्या आइडिया उस पिक्चर से लेना है. You have to think of that and then you have to include all the details. Okay, then you have to give the imaginary names to the character. If there are dialogues also, that also you can read, you can include, and then you will also describe the theme of the picture. Related to that, you will frame a story or you will write a composition. Now, very important thing, very important point, your composition जो है always write in a past tense. This is very important. Your picture composition should always be in a past tense. Now remember to give your composition a title. Then based on the character, based on the picture, you need to give a suitable title to your composition. This is also a part of, or you can say a format of picture composition, and each and everything carries marks. If you will skip writing the title of the composition, then you are going to lose some marks. So title of the composition, then introduction, then your body, it's to be divided into 2 to 3 paragraphs, and then you have to conclude keeping in mind the picture, the main theme of the picture. Okay, so in this way you have to complete your picture composition. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you, students.